Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on area. For kindergarten students, this lesson will talk about the area of flat shapes only. For flat shapes, area is the amount of flat space that a shape occupies. Areas in real life. The car space has a certain area. It occupies a flat space. The area is a big enough space for a car. So basically, let's look at this one here. See that red line? That one, and that one. So there is the car space there. So that flat surface there is the area. The teacher is able to place information on the whiteboard because the whiteboard has a certain area. It occupies a flat space. The top of the desk can be used because it has an area. It occupies a flat space. Different sized areas. Flat shapes in real life can have areas of varying sizes. The postage stamp has a smaller area than the envelope. The silver coin has a larger area than the copper coin. Here's another exercise. Number the following shapes from 1 to 4, where 1 is the smallest area and 4 is the largest. So you explain to students what's required here, and I'm sure they can do that exercise. Colour each of the following shapes a different colour. Circle the smallest area. Complete each sentence by inserting the correct word from the two given words. So you would read the sentence to the students, you would tell them the two choices, and they have to write or choose the correct word that goes into there. And it's exactly the same here. Make sure you explain to them what's required, read the sentence to them, give them the two choices, and they will pick the correct answer. Here are some more suggestions. Draw 3 rectangles where each rectangle has a different area. Use a different colour for each rectangle. What is the colour of the rectangle with the smallest area? Now, using the same 3 rectangles, what is the colour of the rectangle with the largest area? And here's another suggestion. Name something in real life that is a rectangle and has a larger area than an envelope. So they're just some suggestions I've given in this video to help the students understand the idea of area, and I'm sure the teachers can give many, many more examples.